Hello class, and welcome to this video for exercise number 25. So the real video for it. It will never give you up, it will never let you down or hurt you. So first off, we need to save this with the new name. So file, save as. Of course, saving it to the folder you need to save it to. 25 flyer underscore your initials with everything capitalized. First step, I'm going to go through this quickly for this exercise just because of time here. Merge all cells in the first row into a single cell. So you can see how it looks here. What you do is you click, hold down, select like this. You're going to see the layout tab up here under table tools. And then you're going to go and you're going to select here in the merge group, merge cells. And now it's all one cell right here. Oops, actually shortened it. And now it's all one cell. Then it says right after that, we need to cut the text for the text box above the table here and paste it into the newly merged row. So I'm going to go and select it, cut, so Control X, click here in the new one, Control V to paste it, and voila. After that, I'm getting rid of the text box. So you can see I click on it, delete, and I need to bring this table up to the height of approximately where the text box was before. So it should look like that. It says apply a light gray background. Use accent for gray in the color scheme to row 1. So I'm going to do that. Click there. Accent color. So I need to do fill. Accent for gray. So I'm going to my gray. Here's my different accents right here. Accent for. Voila, just like that. It says apply a 1-point bottom only purple border. So use the purple in the color scheme in row 2 so that the headings look like they have an underline separating them from the list beneath them. So I'm going to click here, select this. I have borders up here, so I'm going to click on the arrow for it, borders. I'm going to choose the bottom border. And then of course for line color, it says here it needs to be a purple border. So I'm going to choose purple. So now you can see when I click, oh, hang on a second, let's try it again. It's green right now. I have to apply the line color. So purple to my border, should have it selected, and voila. Now you have the purple color, or it should be. Okay, next thing you're going to do, if you've done that right, is set the vertical alignment of the cells in row 2 to bottom. So vertical alignment of cells in row 2 to bottom. So I'm going to select this right here. And then I'm going to go to alignment, which is over here in my layout. And of course it needs to be to bottom. Since it says just bottom, we're going to assume center. Notice I accidentally didn't click and select all my cells, so I need to click and select it again and save it. Then it says for rows 3, 4, and 5, turn off automatic hyphenation. So I'm going to select all these here in rows 3, 4, and 5. Click on hyphenation right here. I'm going to uncheck the box and then I'm going to click OK. Then the next thing I'm going to do here is for rows 3, 4, and 5 is set the internal right margin to 0.2. So I need to deal with my cell margins here. So you can see here there's narrow, all that. Right margin to 0.2. You're going to print the publication. So I'm going to save it here first before I do it. File, print, Microsoft Print to PDF, just like usual. And of course naming it with the proper name, 25 flyer underscore, oh hang on a second, there we go, 25 flyer underscore your initials, and save it just like that. Now there should be that color row here for your border with your group, so you may have to play around with it. You can see with mine it's still not visible here, so choose the right color. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker as well for that. So, alright, and that's the first part of the exercise. Next thing you're going to do is open up AutoHyphenation. So file, save as, open AutoHyphenation, or not save as, open, excuse me, AutoHyphenation. Now with this one, I'm really not going to show you what you're going to do, because you can change it how you want. It says here, use what you've learned in the lesson about borders and shading to format this calendar. Format the text if needed, using normal text formatting to make it easier to read. So I want you to change how this looks. So this is kind of the calendar similar to the one we were working on before. So I want you to use borders, changing that, shading, make this calendar look different, make it look nice. You can also change the date so it's actually the month we're in, and then also the year we're in as well. But I'm going to leave that up to you. When you are finished with this one, you do need to change the name of it. So I'm going to show that to you right now. The name it needs to be saved to is 25 cal underscore your initials. And do that. And then also format the text if you need to make it easier to read. So you're going to do that on your own. I'm not showing you how to do it. And that is how you complete exercise number 25.